Tom Wolf says he has a plan to raise Pennsylvania's minimum wage. He wants to increase it to $12 an hour. Bob Allen has reaction from some local business owners. Bob.
Well, Ken, Governor Tom Wolf is setting the stage for what could be a big fight over raising the state's minimum wage. He sent out a reminder to Republicans today that the debate will continue when they return to Harrisburg later this month. For several years, Governor Tom Wolf has been pushing for an increase in the minimum wage. Last January, he told supporters a $12 an hour minimum wage would help save thousands of working poor across the state.
When we give people a living wage for their work, it will lift them out of poverty. And as people earn more, they can work their way off public assistance.
Pennsylvania has not raised the $7.25 an hour minimum wage in 10 years. The governor's spokesperson, J.J. Abbott, said today, quote, "Since Republicans have failed to act, we continue to push our plan." But that plan could run into more roadblocks later this month. State Representative Valerie Gatos was recently elected in the 44th District.
Not in favor of raising the minimum wage artificially. I think that what we should do is examine, how we can get people's skill level up to where they can be making a higher wage.
Lenny McAllister with the Commonwealth Foundation thinks the increase will hurt small businesses.
But the mom and pop organization, they're the ones that are going to say, I have to go from 3 employees to 2. That's the last thing we need these days.
But Pennsylvania has the lowest minimum wage among all of its neighbors. The governor says raising the minimum wage would save millions of tax dollars and public assistance. McAllister thinks the governor may be trying to bring Republicans to the negotiating table.
But there may be Republicans that may not want to go to $12 an hour, but maybe they will acquiesce somewhere between $7.25 and $12. We are going into an election season coming up in 2020.
Now, if passed, the minimum wage would start at $12 an hour and go up 50 cents a year until it reaches $15 an hour. But it remains to be seen what will happen in the Republican-controlled General Assembly. Reporting live, Bob Allen, KDKA News.